Okay. Easy. A driftwood whale. What do I know about whales? What do I know about driftwood? They both live in the ocean, and they're both made out of wood. This kind of looks kind of like a whale. Should have paid attention in biology class. I should have went to biology class. What does this look like? Kind of like an alien flounder. I don't know. I know that whales like to sing. That last one was a cow. Sea cow. This is kind of making me seasick. Well, or whale. Those two words are confusing. If a whale is singing all the time, he's got to be happy. So our whale needs a big happy smile. The soldering iron isn't working too well. Or whale for this. It'd be better if I poured hot soup on this. I like the Mona Lisa. If the Mona Lisa was a whale, the smile should be bigger. Mona Lisa should have smiled more. Perfect, Mona Lisa whale. Can't you see? You're becoming a shell of your former self. Hey, did I just move? I'm gonna glue this thing down before it walks off. Guess I should have checked it for crabs. Crabs and whales friends? Probably would be. The whale would stop waking him up with all that singing. You better disguise yourself, whale. Crab's looking for you. How about some sunglasses? I don't think you wear them that way, unless you see out of your nose and breathe out of your eye. These don't really fit you, do they? You know what? These things are broken. Did you sit on these again? I don't know why, but I think I'm about to hurt myself. Oh, I did. I was right. This video is not brought to you by safety, but common sense. How does anything sleep in the ocean? There's no privacy down there. Can you imagine waking up, crabs looking at you? You really don't know if he's looking at you or reading a night chart. It's probably pretty comfortable down there. I mean, it is like sleeping on a waterbed. It is a waterbed. I need some type of a hammer. I wonder if hammerhead sharks do carpentry. How big of a waterbed does a whale need? It's bigger than a king. Bigger than a California king. Maybe it's like a king mackerel. Or maybe that's just a whale of a waterbed. I knew I shouldn't have drilled this so deep. Can you imagine how expensive the sheets are for the whale of a waterbed? Why are sheets so expensive? Wonder how much crabs pay for sheets. Probably not much. They don't need any. They got that nice comfy shell. I bet he can throw some incredible parties in that shell. Probably doesn't invite the whale. Hey whale, you coming to my party? I don't know, crab. Last time you didn't like what I brought. Whale, you brought crab dip. Oh, I'm sorry about that, crab. I knew I should have brought shrimp cocktail. You know that's a crustacean too, right? Forget about it. All is forgiven. Hey, you can even bring that friend of yours with the weird name. Ah, you mean killer whale? Nah, he changed that to orca. It's just too hard to meet people. I feel him, bruh. Hey, you know what else? We're gonna have karaoke. We all know how you like to sing, whale. Hoo-hoo-hoo! You do know me, crab. That's too much to turn down. Count me in. That sounds like a whale of a good time. I don't think I was supposed to take this. Oh no. Oh no. No, I wasn't. This is a whale of a mistake. This is making me crabby. This looks like I'm sending this whale to outer space. I bet there's a planet inhabited by an advanced civilization of whales and crabs. On planet Krabby Whale, everyone gets a waterbed with comfy, whale-sized sheets. I don't know if I'm supposed to cut that. Oh no. I might visit there. I just don't know if I feel comfortable with crabs watching me sleep. Whale whale? Doesn't even sound right. You're all done. I think you're gonna like swimming in the barking biscuit buggy bathroom. What's that? You miss your friends? Ah, don't worry, whale. We put some in here for you. And I'm sure crabs will be coming along real soon. After all, you guys got that party you gotta get to. I even packed you some purple seaweed to take. Well, do you like your new home? Ah, there she blows. Sleep tight, my little sardine, on your comfy, whale-sized sheets.